Troubleshooting a Furrion RV stereo, CD-DVD playback. Troubles with CD-DVD playback on your Furrion RV stereo can be annoying. These issues are common but often easy to fix. This guide will help you troubleshoot playback problems. Disc not reading? If your stereo isn't reading the disc, try these steps. Ensure the disc is clean and free of scratches. Confirm the disc format is compatible with the stereo. Check if the disc is inserted correctly. Restart the stereo and try again. Update the stereo firmware if available. Cleaning the disc with a soft cloth can often solve the problem. Make sure to clean from the center outwards. Skipping or stuttering. Skipping or stuttering during playback can be frustrating. Here's how to address it. Inspect the disc for dirt or damage. Play the disc on another device to check for issues. Reduce vibrations and ensure the stereo is mounted securely. Check if the stereo laser lens needs cleaning. If the lens is dirty, you can use a lens cleaning disc. Ensure the stereo is stable to avoid vibrations that might cause skipping. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching the video.